Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to open a broken or stuck UPVC window handle. So in most cases when these are stuck or broken, it's usually this locking mechanism here, so the button stops working, it's either jammed or not working, so we need to find a way of getting that off. So the first thing you might want to do is find a similar handle on another window, open it, and then you can see how it actually moves. I've just come upstairs to the bathroom window, it's got the same handle, so what I can do is, if I show you this, if I open it, because this one works, you can open that, and down there at the back, you should be able to see this here. See how it moves in? And it moves in from upwards, not downwards. If I push downwards, it doesn't move. If I lift it up, it clips in. I'll try and get a side shot of that as well now. Can you see that? So it lifts upwards that way, not down. Push down sideways, it doesn't move. So if we know it releases this way up, when we turn it and close it, we know that we need to be coming in from this angle to release it. So I'd have to take the device and pull it this way, not this way, not down, because that wouldn't release it. And I'll show you that now on the actual window that's stuck. So what can we use to undo it? You basically need something hard. I've got a scraper here, and I've also got an old card here. I'll take that off so nobody see my details, but if I show you this, what we basically need to do is come in on the angle and release it. So if I was to put this card on the angle here, you should be a little bit of play here. I'll put it in behind, and all I'm going to do, because this button won't work, is use this and slide it across whilst I open it. So I'll do that now. Let's try that again, and there you go, open. Also do it with a paint scraper, so I know it needs to be pressed this way, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to move it across, and that will allow me to get the handle open. So there you go. For those changing the window, this now gives you access to that screw, and you can take that cover off and get access to that screw and take the handle off. You pretty much use anything hard that you can get in between the gap, and that should work. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and subscribe.